Harrison home. And now Harrison will pop between second and third. And Mejia will run right at him. Harrison will try and stay in a rundown long enough to get Polanco there. Safe. He's still in the rundown. And he is still safe. Unbelievable! No way! That's impossible! That is impossible! He could not possibly have done that! He could not possibly have stayed in that rundown long enough.
Additional strength to the rotation.
Up the middle and backhanded by Infante. Safe at first as Reynolds avoids the tag.
He vacates the bag. That's his first thing is really doing right. And he tries to sweep tag. And look at Reynolds with that athleticism to avoid the tag. And
Scope was on the third base side of second and airmails first base. Tulowitzki made a turn towards second and jumps over Wieters. What a play! You talk about improvisation. Wieters was going to beat him to the bag, but instead of stepping on the bag and tagging him, Wieters went to tag Tulowitzki and he jumped right over the top of it.
A liner toward the wall in right. That's a fair ball off the wall. Chris Davis will field, and they're going to wave Ichiro. The throw to the plate. He is safe. Somehow he got around the tag of Wieters.
You see this fastball that he absolutely smokes in the corner, and the relay maybe not as quick, but good enough in plenty of time to get him at home. And right here, as he goes to reach, and he gets to his knee and can't get back to the plate, still trying to chase, he could almost lay it on top of the plate. I don't think there's any way he can get to it.
Briefly, a Mariners behind the plate. Runner going, swung on and missed, and it's going to be a strike him out, throw him out.
Charlie's like shook his hands, kind of like, you might want to look at that one.
I don't know, he's jogging off, so I think he thinks he's out.
So they're going to look at him. You see this here?
Oh, look at this, George. You know what? He's safe.
Yeah, he's safe.
You're right. All right, we're going to get it right now. Safe. There you go. Charlie out of the dugout, back onto the field. Stolen base number 36.
But under 4 is a real speedster, and Donaldson was beaming that he put the pressure on the defense, and that's the same type of ball. Beltre threw it away, and he missed that one as well. Mike Napoli tagged at Donaldson, and once again Donaldson with great reaction. He sensed Napoli coming off the bag and slid underneath the tag, according to Paul Nart, first base umpire.
That's an easy play for Napoli to make.
He missed him. He missed him, I think, and watch the helmet's coming off before Napoli swipes at him.
Attack on offense is a great thing.
Alex runs, and now he's going to get in a run down. Escobar.
Come on.
Boy, Alex is doing his part, and now Escobar caught in between third and home. And did he get around the tag? He did! Just the way they practiced it before the game tonight.
That's just how you write it up.
There goes Harrison. Good jump, too. Throw down. And Harrison overslid. And now he gets himself into a rundown. And Josh is pretty good at these.
Yeah, we've seen this before.
And he gets past Rosario. He's safe.
Unbelievable. He did it again. And
Nobody at the plate. He almost broke.
And he almost could have scored. He does it again. It's incredible.
Absolutely wild base running for Josh Harrison.
He's still got the 10 wins in almost record time. Here is a bunt and a nice play by Holt, and they say safe as he missed the tag. Holiday got around it.
I think he got him too. What do you think?
Well, we won't know until we see this view. I don't think he got him.
Wow.
Oh, it almost hit the pitcher.
and they whiff on the tag of Bourne. Everybody's safe.
I thought he tagged Bourne here. As he avoids a tag, I'd say he's out of the baseline, right?
But yeah, but I don't think that was on the list of reviewable plays.
Well, you might be right. He never called. He called him out.
Or actually, Adam Mahari, the home plate umpire, decided Adrian was going to take the rest of the day off. A push bunt. It's a good one. Elvis trying to beat the tag. He does for the base hit. There's what you were talking about, Mac, making that first baseman. In this case, Victor Martinez field the ball.
It's over. Nice job by Elvis.
Elvis kind of a hard belly landing down there, and he's shaking up a little bit. Steve Buechele and Matt Lucero out there to make sure he's all right.
Driven toward left. Peralta on the run will play that on a hop shy of the track. Maben around first. He's chugging for second. And he's going to be safe. Ball had him beat. Somehow Maben got in. Maybe the ball was dropped. I couldn't see.
Rowe beat him by a mile, but the tag went to the first base side of the bag.
On back-to-back days in his big league career. This one's a little deeper. Helton's going to give it a whirl. Here's the throw by Parra. Safe. Creative slide by Helton.
Oh, how about that slide by the fella, huh?
How about the throw by Parra also?
Todd did a great job. Super Bowl never got to him. Went on the outside of the bag and utilized the hand with a slap right there on the back point of home plate.
Ground ball pitcher, you soon have to learn. There goes the runner. The pitch is low. Posey's throw gets him on, and he must have missed him. Whoa. It was a very awkward slide by Turner. Here he comes, stumbles. He's short by plenty, and the helmet looked like it got in the way. And the question is his right hand. There comes the helmet. Watch that right hand. Adrianza gets him at the chest.
It's one aspect with Grichuk. A lot of strikeouts, very few walks.
There he goes. There's the strikeout. The throw to second is not in time. Hayward gets the back of the bag. Brandon Phillips not so sure.
That big wingspan of going around the tag and getting that hand, the right hand on the back of the bag ahead of Phillips's tag. That's pretty athletic right there.
So he wanted to tell me the name. I said, nope, I don't want to know the name.
Liner into right. Catch is made. Here comes a throw, and it's a double play. Or is it? No.
Voided the tag. How about that? Now they're going to try to say that Molina left too early. I'm not sure David Hale knows exactly what kind of protocol to use here.
To pull a string, and that's what he did.
Chopper. And a play much like we saw in the top half of the inning, but Aramis Ramirez somehow eludes the tag of Colton Wong.
There's a ball again, just out of the reach of Odor. Rosario around second. He'll gain third base. Big turn at first, and now Escobar's hung out to dry. Rosario leading off at third. Couple of looks toward him, and now Escobar in a prolonged rundown. Here comes Rosario, and he is safe. He slipped the tag of Jimenez. This. No, that was a fan tag right there.
It was.
And Jimenez knew it. You could see the way he reacted, that he lunged after the runner.